Hey guys, it's Ayana back here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a gummy effect. So first of all, make a layer and make it on clipping. Then get to your brush and make it white. Size it as this and do what I do, like right here. And now add a dot there, just a curved line. And it's starting to look gummy right now. So next, just do it on the other side too. Maybe do it and try it on the bottom. Just try to make it look smooth. And there. But if you need to fix some things and adjust some things, go ahead. Actually, this works on anything. So yeah, not just the ball. I just made it a ball for testers. And now make the reflection and add the picture. If you have a reflection, and if you want a reflection, add it as clipping to the ball. And now, lower the opacity, and there it looks like a reflection. And I'm pretty sure this is what you're supposed to get. You need to add the reflection layers on, not really the reflection layers, I mean the gummy effect layers on the toppest layers, because the reflection will make the white have the same color as it, and then it won't really look like a gummy effect with that. Thanks for watching, and bye. The next tutorial will be how to get color palettes in just a few seconds. Okay, bye.